Morning, boys and girls. I am in the largest state in Malaysia. The second largest state. It's not even half the size of Sarawak. It has the third highest GDP in the country. 2.6 million people lived here. Welcome to Kuching, Sarawak, the cat city.
Malam yang romantis ini untuk kau dan aku, tetapi di kau bagaikan air yang membeku, masih terbaca ragu di matamu.
In 1833, a British sailor by the name of James Brooke inherited £30,000 and he bought a ship called Royalist and set sail for Kuching, Sarawak. He helped the Sultan of Brunei fought off piracy activities in the region and solved conflicts between the Iban and the Dayak. He also helped to restore the Sultan of Brunei to his throne. So, as a result, in 1842, Sultan Omar of Brunei ceded complete sovereignty of Sarawak to James Brooke. He was then granted the title of Rajah of Sarawak on September 24, 1841, thus declaring the beginning of the Kingdom of Sarawak. A total of 3 Rajah ruled Sarawak until 1946. Unlike its neighbor to the north, Sabah, Sarawak survived World War II almost entirely intact. However, due to the pressure from the British government, it was ceded in July 1st, 1946, and thus end the era of the Kingdom of Sarawak.
Aku cinta padamu, sungguh mestikah ku ulangi dari mulutku.
I'm outside City Hall Kuching. What do you do when your city is literally named after the cat? You have a cat museum. My mind is full of cats images at the moment. I think I need to get back to civilization. Painting the town red. I'm going to see my friend G. Seems like they have a art and craft festival happening tonight. We're having big fish tonight. We are going to feast tonight. This nasi minyak is curry chicken. Oh, my favorite.
Eggplant, marinated.
I'm staying at the super charming Marian Boutique Hotel in Kuching, and I seldom film hotels that I stay in, but this place is really charming. I will show you what I mean. So, boys and girls, let's get to the juicy part of the story. There is a movement in Sarawak called SarExit. It's like Brexit. There are people in Sarawak who want Sarawak to leave Malaysia. People of Sarawak think that they don't get the same opportunity as their countrymen in West Malaysia. There are hospitals and schools that are in dire condition, and they think the federal government is not paying much attention to their needs. I grew up having Sarawak as an integral part of the Malaysian family. So of course, I hope Sarawak stays in Malaysia. I also, on the other hand, understand the frustration of Sarawakian. So maybe there's a silver lining here because we've just elected a new government in May. Maybe the time is ripe for Sarawakian to have a better deal with the federal government. Better school, better hospital, better road infrastructure, and prosper together with the rest of Malaysia. Agree with me? Disagree with me? Well, leave your comments below and we can discuss. So boys and girls, thank you so much for watching this video. I am very proud of this video. This is my first homemade Malaysian video. Around the world I travel, I will always be a proud Malaysian because this is a blessed country. And I also want to thank all my friends who hosted me in Kuching. So until my next video from the capital of Sarawak, Kuching, stay proud.